Sparky Sparks here, and I have new hair. Oh my goodness. Now, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, comment, share, all the things. Let's stay connected. Like I said, I'm Sparky Sparks and I review wigs, and you're in the right place this morning. So if you're like me and you're looking for a short pixie, now this is similar to how I wear my own hair, but I don't have this volume of hair. So I want to give you a little tour of this. This is from Ellen Wille. This is new. It's called Chat. And this color is called dark chocolate rooted. So very pretty color. I used to wear my hair this color years ago. So really cute. One of the things that I really like is the lace front here. So if the hair blows back this way, you have lace front, so it still looks like it's coming out of your head. And you can wear it up and spiked like this.